Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to import presets into Premiere Pro. Once you've downloaded the presets from the web, they're usually in a zip file. First, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder or wherever you saved it. Right-click on the file and choose Extract All. Then click Extract to extract it in the same location as your zip file. Once the extraction is complete, open the folder and find a file with the extension .pfpreset. This is the preset file for Premiere Pro. Next, open Premiere Pro and go to the Effects panel. Look for the Presets folder, then right-click on it and choose Import Presets. A window will pop up, allowing you to navigate to the location where you extracted the preset file. Select the pfpreset file and click Open. Once imported, you'll see the presets appear in the Presets folder under the Effects panel. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.